Steamers! Anything that diesels do, steamies know that they can do. Diesel, steamers, engines too, try to do things better. They both have a different role. We need oil, we need gold. All of us have just one goal, trying to do things better. Who can ship the most trucks or bricks on trains that are much longer? Steamers may get up to tricks, but diesels are much stronger. Who has gleaming piston rods and paintwork bright and shiny? Who can pull the longest train and still keep perfect timing? Anything that diesels do, steamies know that they can do. Diesel, steamies, engines too, try to do things better. They both have a different role. We need oil, we need gold. All of us have just one goal, trying to do things better. Goes bumping into trucks, causing so much trouble? Who can lift those heavy loads and clear the lines of rubble? Who can only honk their horns while steamers whistle loudly? Who's that straining up their hill while Gordon steams by proudly?
Anything that diesels do, steamies know that they can too. Diesel, steamies, engines too, try to do things better. They both have a different role. We need oil, we need gold. All of us have just one goal, try to do things better.
Who can shut the most trucks or brakes on trains that are much longer?
Steamies may get up to tricks, but diesels are much stronger. Who has gleaming piston rods and paintwork bright and shiny? Who can pull the longest train and still keep her